Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve Wi-Fi connection issues on VIVO Y21D. So, in case your smartphone isn't connecting to your Wi-Fi, or basically the connection signal is weak, then first of all, before troubleshooting the issue on this device, try connecting to the same Wi-Fi network using your other devices. So for example, your laptop, your PC, your tablet, your other smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network, and make sure that everything works fine with them. And if the problem is only visible on your VIVO, then we're gonna have to fix this issue. In order to do that, what we want to do is first of all go to settings, and then open Wi-Fi. Then we want to forget the current the Wi-Fi that we're currently connected to. So select your Wi-Fi and then select forget. Then select it once again from the list. Enter Wi-Fi's password. Tap connect and let your device reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. If it doesn't help, you can also restart your smartphone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time, and then restart. You can also restart your router. This may help as well. And if this doesn't help you, then go to System Management in Settings. Here you'll find Reset Options. We want to select Reset Options and then Reset Wi-Fi Mobile Network and Bluetooth. Select Reset Settings, enter your pattern to confirm or password, and confirm once again. Once you see the message that network settings have been reset, you can reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. However, be aware that this reset will also affect your Bluetooth connections. So you're gonna have to repair your Bluetooth devices as well. Okay, so now let's try to enter the password once again. Tap connect, and after that the problem should be resolved. If it's not, then connect to mobile data on your smartphone. If you have the SIM card inserted, go to System Update and make sure to download the latest software version on your smartphone. The issue should be resolved afterwards. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.